Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy Brayden back with another video, and today I'm just gonna tell you guys, subscribe to my channel, link in the description below. And I don't know about that, but anyway, I opened this from the beginning to get started, by the way, so there we go. Okay, I told you I was going to do it right away, so I'm doing it right away. Next thing you know, I'm doing it right away. Okay, so we're going to be doing it right now, right away. Opening up the first candy cane. I usually just break the top off, because you know, it's just how I like it. No, I was about to bite the piece, but I felt a paper. Now, I did taste a wint-o-green. Thing. Hold on. For the next video, I'm probably going to make today. Probably we're doing 3 today. Even though I did probably 4. I'm doing this today. The next video is going to be a magic trick thing. And it's pretty cool. Now I did taste, like I probably said, the Lifesaver wint-o-greens. They're really good. Tastes exactly the same as this one. It is really chewy. Alright. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. So, subscribe, link in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.